designed to honor Americans serving in the 5 U.S. military branches: the Army, Navy, Marines, Air Force, and Coast Guard. Following the consolidation of the military services in the Department of Defense, it was intended to replace the separate Army, Navy, Air Force, Marine Corps, and Coast Guard days. But observance of these days, especially within each particular service, continues to this day.
Okay, you move your hand. She wants a picture of the guns.
The first steamboat to land in Jefferson was the Llama, owned by Captain William Perry. The Llama's route went from what is now Shreveport, Louisiana, through Caddo Lake,
Got a picture of Kid Blue
and westward into Jefferson.
in my gang. They're not too important. They just got to tote some money around.
While a large complement of other commodities was brought back on the returning packet boats. By 1845, steamboats were regularly reaching Jefferson. Some with as many as 130 passengers or more aboard. During the peak period of the 1870s, packet steamers on their return trip to New Orleans carried upwards of 425 tons of goods, or about 1,800 bales each. At its high point, it was not unusual for Jefferson to receive upwards of 250 cattle goods per year. By the late 1840s, Jefferson had emerged as the leading commercial and distribution center in Northeast Texas, and the state's chief inland port, second only to Galveston in total tonnage. Originally named Mission San Antonio de Valero,
They know to hide while I'm around.
for missionaries and their families and for Indian converts for nearly 70 years. Construction began on the present site in 1724. In 1793, Spanish officials to San Antonio's 5 missions distributed their lands to the remaining Indian residents. These men and women continued to farm fields and participated in the growing community of San Antonio. Jefferson's heritage and historic resources have received
Hey, do you think I can get you to send some of that to
70 years. In
sure.
1983, the properties in Jefferson were selected for
Down with Francine and
the
Donna.
Historic American Building Survey, which documents significant buildings across the nation through measured drawings, photographs, and written history. There are 95 historic markers in Jefferson. 69 are recorded.
It stopped
Texas
recording
historic
for a minute
landmarks.
earlier, so I'm going to edit it together at home. But if you just want the raw video, I can shoot it to you. It's shooting HD, not great HD, but it's shooting HD.
I
don't know about all that tech stuff. Fortunately, some of the other guys in our group do. I just handle most of the killing. They handle the baggage. Baggage includes guns.
Jefferson created and chartered the East Line and Red River Railroad.
And other technical silly things.
The line changed hands.
Or if there's any damsels in distress, I handle that too.
It was also during this When the line was
If there's one thing you lack, it's ladies.
like you're riding on now, the standard to interchange with other railroads. In 1939, the short line.
Yeah, I got me a harem down in Mexico. I think I'm gonna go ahead and visit them this year.
All over Louisiana. Sometime in the 1930s or 40s, our depot was built to service passengers. In 1956, Kansas City Southern built a shortcut to South Harbor. This meant the line built. The Jefferson Railway became a part of the thriving community of Jefferson. It falls in a major event throughout the year, bringing over 20,000 people to town. It look forward all year long to the runaway rights the railway licenses and leaders Diamond Dog, National Vintage Motocross, the Great Locomotive Chase, National American Cowboy, and the Route 49 Biker Rally. And with that sound of the horn, ladies and gentlemen, that means we are now approaching the depot. I would like to thank you for coming out this afternoon and riding the train with us. We hope you enjoyed it and learned a little about Jefferson. A few dates to keep in mind this summer. On Friday, July 25th and Saturday, July 26th, 2014, come back and see us for the National Day of the Cowboy. And save the dates. May 16th and 17th, 2015 is next year's Jefferson Train Days.
They're doing the last of the gun stuff over here.